So I guess my main takeaway for today is that it's really limitless what you can use EFT tapping techniques for, and I knew some information before I came, but actually putting it into practice and learning that we just like onions, we just take off layers and layers and we can actually get to the deeper level issues, and you just get a sense of freedom that once you've let that go, nothing can hold you back from what it is that you really want. So that was just probably the really big highlight for me. Look, this is certainly worth doing. You're in such a safe environment. Sally just creates such an easy space for you to connect with the other students that are there, to learn what you need to learn, but also to uncover all those things that are holding you back. And you just feel so comfortable. It just happens because you just do it, and you're learning as you're doing it, so much about yourself, but also even watching the other students, everything they work on, you work on as well, and you just, I don't know, you just feel lighter at the end of the day. It's certainly worthwhile doing.